We've all been there. At some point in our lives, we've all faced that moment of reckoning. You step on the scale, and the number staring back at you is higher than you'd like. It's a moment that can feel disheartening, even overwhelming. You vow to make a change, to finally shed those extra pounds. You set goals, make plans, and feel a surge of motivation. You try the latest fad diet, cut out entire food groups, and push yourself to extremes. You say no to your favorite treats and yes to grueling workouts. The pounds might come off initially, but the deprivation is unbearable. You find yourself eating tiny portions, feeling constantly hungry and frustrated. Your energy plummets, your cravings skyrocket, and soon enough, you find yourself right back where you started, or worse. The cycle of dieting and binging takes a toll on your body and mind. The truth is, most diets simply aren't sustainable. They promise quick results but fail to address the root of the problem. They're restrictive, boring, and often leave you feeling deprived and defeated. The joy of eating is replaced by a sense of obligation and monotony. But what if there was a better way? What if you could break free from the cycle of dieting and find a path that truly works for you? What if you could lose weight while enjoying delicious, satisfying meals inspired by cuisines from around the world? Imagine savoring vibrant, flavorful dishes that nourish your body and soul. Picture yourself cooking a colorful meal, sharing it with friends, and feeling a sense of joy and satisfaction. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality you can achieve. By exploring different cuisines and incorporating a variety of fresh, wholesome ingredients, you can create a sustainable and enjoyable way of eating. You'll feel energized, satisfied, and excited about your meals. No more feeling deprived or bored, just a balanced, healthy lifestyle that you can maintain for the long term. Embrace this new approach and watch as you not only achieve your weight loss goals, but also transform your relationship with food. It's time to rewrite your story and find joy in the journey. Most diets fail for the same reasons. They promise quick results, but often lead to long-term disappointment. They rely on deprivation and willpower, two things that are notoriously unreliable. When you constantly deny yourself the foods you love, it creates a sense of scarcity and stress. When you restrict calories too severely, your body goes into starvation mode. This is a survival mechanism that has been hardwired into our biology for thousands of years. Your metabolism slows down, you burn fewer calories, and your body clings to every bit of fat it can get. This is your body's way of protecting you from what it perceives as a famine. This is why so many people end up regaining the weight they lost, and often more. The cycle of losing and regaining weight can be disheartening and damaging to your self-esteem. It's a vicious cycle of yo-yo dieting that can wreak havoc on your metabolism and your self-esteem. Each failed attempt makes it harder to believe in the possibility of lasting change, but it doesn't have to be this way. There are more effective strategies that focus on long-term health rather than short-term fixes. There's a smarter, more sustainable approach to weight loss, one that nourishes your body and satisfies your taste buds. By focusing on whole foods, balanced nutrition, and mindful eating, you can achieve lasting results without the constant struggle. Incorporating enjoyable physical activities and self-care practices can also support your journey. It's about creating a lifestyle that you can maintain and enjoy, rather than a temporary fix. Celebrate small victories along the way, and remember that progress is more important than perfection. With the right approach, you can break free from the vicious cycle and find a healthier, happier you. Imagine a world where you could enjoy the vibrant flavors of Thai curries, the hearty warmth of Italian pasta dishes, and the zesty freshness of Mexican cuisine, all while losing weight and improving your health. That's the promise of global weight loss recipes. A revolutionary approach to weight loss that harnesses the power of global cuisines to help you achieve your health goals. Our program isn't about deprivation or bland, boring meals. It's about rediscovering the joy of eating while nourishing your body with wholesome, flavorful ingredients. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from real people who have transformed their lives with global weight loss recipes. I used to think losing weight meant giving up all the foods I loved, says Maria, who lost 40 pounds on the program. But with global weight loss recipes, I've discovered a whole new world of flavor and can still enjoy my favorite dishes in a healthier way. John, who lost 25 pounds, shares, "The best part is I'm never hungry. The recipes are so satisfying and keep me feeling full and energized throughout the day." Section 5. The Science of Slim: How Global Weight Loss Recipes Make a Difference. Global weight loss recipes isn't just about delicious food, it's backed by science. Our recipes are carefully crafted to be low in calories and fat. We use lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables to create meals that are both satisfying and waistline friendly. High in fiber. Fiber helps you feel fuller for longer, preventing cravings and overeating. Packed with nutrients. Our recipes are designed to provide your body with all the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it needs to thrive. This winning combination promotes sustainable weight loss, increased energy levels, and improved overall health. Section 6. Beyond Calories: Nourishing Your Body and Mind. Global weight loss. Recipes is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle change. We believe that healthy eating should be enjoyable, not a chore. That's why our program focuses on mindful eating. We encourage you to slow down, savor each bite, and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Stress management. Stress can lead to overeating and weight gain. We provide tips and techniques to help you manage stress and make healthier choices. Building a supportive community. Connecting with others on a similar journey can provide motivation and support. Section 7. A Taste of Success. Exploring global cuisines, one delicious bite at a time. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure. This journey will take you through the kitchens of the world, where every dish tells a story and every bite is a new experience. Global Weight Loss Recipes takes you on a journey around the world, introducing you to new flavors and ingredients. From the bustling markets of Asia to the rustic kitchens of Europe, each recipe is crafted to bring you the best of global cuisine. Spice up your life and discover the vibrant flavors of Indian curries, Mexican salsas, and Moroccan tagines. These dishes are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that support a healthy lifestyle. Spices not only add flavor, but also offer numerous health benefits. Turmeric, for example, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, while cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels. Embrace the Mediterranean and indulge in the fresh, flavorful cuisine known for its heart-healthy fats, lean proteins, and abundance of fruits and vegetables. The Mediterranean diet is celebrated for its ability to promote longevity and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Explore Asian delights and experience the light and flavorful dishes featuring lean proteins, fresh vegetables, and rice or noodles in moderation. Asian cuisine is renowned for its balance and harmony, making it a perfect choice for those seeking a healthy diet. With global weight loss recipes, healthy eating is anything but boring. Each meal is a celebration of culture and taste, proving that nutritious food can be both exciting and satisfying. Join us as we explore the world, one delicious bite at a time. Section 8. Join the global weight loss revolution. Your journey starts today. You deserve to feel confident, healthy, and energized. You deserve to live your life to the fullest. Global weight loss recipes can help you achieve the healthy, happy life you've always wanted. It's time to ditch the fad diets and restrictive eating plans and embrace a sustainable, enjoyable approach to weight loss. Section 9. A limited time opportunity. Embark on your transformation. For a limited time, we're offering an exclusive discount on our Global Weight Loss Recipes program. This is your chance to join thousands of people around the world who are already experiencing the transformative power of global cuisines. Section 10. Your healthiest, happiest you. Take the first step. Don't wait another day to start living your healthiest, happiest life. Take the first step today and join the global weight loss revolution. Embrace the change and see the difference.